The Simpsons Global Fan Fest. It's a worldwide year-long celebration for every Simpsons fan, with contests, prizes, and great stuff that doesn't suck.
What is it?
Nothing.
Want to find out more? Log on to our brand new website, thesimpsons.com, for all the Simpsons Global Fest activities.
Strap yourself in and feel the cheese.
Welcome to Virtual Springfield, a 3D exploration of all things Simpsons. Drop by the Simpsons house.
How's the mowing going?
Drop dead, Flanders.
Mix a flaming mow.
Get out of here!
Shop at the Quickie Mart.
Discount jerky.
Or play games at Noiseland Arcade. Virtual Springfield will make Simpsons fans feel right at home. The Simpsons are making the jump from TV to your computer with the Simpsons Cartoon Studio. The Simpsons Cartoon Studio has everything you need to create your own Simpsons cartoons. Bart, Homer, and the hilarious Simpsons universe, including backgrounds, music, sound effects, and voice loops. So don't have a cow, man. Become a cartoon director with the Simpsons Cartoon Studio.
Welcome to Homer Simpson's Guide to Weight Management. Did you know that fat people get to take up more space than thin people? It's true. Follow our rules and you'll be well on your way to a life of sloth, the second most fun of the 7 deadly sins. Rule 1. Always seek a doctor's advice.
Well, your cholesterol level is lethally high, Homer, but I'm more concerned about your gravy level.
Now, wait a second. You doctors have been telling us to drink 8 glasses of gravy a day.
Rule 2. Don't let anything get in the way of your food.
Supper time!
Oh, no, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Eat my dust.
Hey, that's my chop.
Rule 3. When preparing your slop, the food, be creative.
Let's see here. Caramels, waffle batter, liquid smoke. Ooh, waffle runoff.
There's nothing to eat for breakfast.
You gotta improvise, Lisa. Cloves, Tom Collins mix, frozen pie crust.
Rule 4. Develop special skills.
Sir, I am in your debt.
Use it wisely, my friend. Hey, I smell cake. Cake that says, farewell and best wishes.
Your old man has an awesome nose.
Oh, that's nothing. He can hear pudding.
Rule 5. Never waste your food.
Jiminy cricket. Ooh, expired ham. Oh, this time I've gone too far. No one will fall for...
Woohoo! Cheap meat! Ooh, this one's open. Ooh, stomach churning. Bowels clenching. Not much time. Must finish. Your old meat made me sick.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Please accept 5 pounds of frozen shrimp.
This shrimp isn't frozen, and it smells funny.
Okay, 10 pounds.
Woohoo!
Fresh club kalash. Get your club kalash.
Give me 1 bowl.
No bowl. Stick.
Oh, jeez, that's just awful. Now, what do you have to wash that awful taste out of my mouth?
Mountain Dew or crab juice.
Ugh! Oh, jeez. I'll take a crab juice.
You've been eating that thing for a week. I think the mayonnaise is starting to turn.
2 more feet, and I can fit it in the fridge.
Homer, I found this behind the radiator. I really think you should throw it away.
Suggestion noted. Marge, I'd like to be alone with the sandwich for a moment.
Are you going to eat it?
Yes.
Rule 6. When stuffing your face, always love your food.
Fattening. Barbecue. Free goo. Crumbled up cookie things.
Congratulations! You have completed Homer Simpson's Guide to Weight Management. Now that we've shown you the secrets to getting the Homer Simpson figure you want, let's sit back on the couch and watch at least 8 more hours of videos, mixed of course with some heavy gorging. Thanks for watching Homer Simpson's Guide to Weight Management.
I hope you all enjoy your ride to and tour of the Springfield Shopper newspaper. Groundskeeper Willie and I will stay behind to remove all traces of asbestos and the
Even things when I was a kid. Come on, I'll give you a piggyback ride. A veggie back ride home. Come on.
Baby, I'm amazed the way you love me all the time. Maybe I'm afraid of the way